Okay, we're now going to look at trial and improvement. So in this particular one, what that actually means is we put numbers in, we look at the answer, we take a view from that answer, and then we improve our trial. So we might try the value of 6 and it gives us an answer which is way too high, so we bring down. So that's an example. So generally what we would look to do is put this into a table. So we put the value of x that we're going to work out. We would actually work out the answer, 2x cubed minus, x cubed minus 2x. And we would make a comment upon that. So let's take a value. It asks us this time, show that the solution lies between 2 and 3. So let's work out the value for x cubed minus 2x equals 2. So that's 2 cubed minus 2 lots of 2. That gives us an answer of 4. Now we're looking for an answer of 15, so clearly that is too low. So let's have a look at the answer of 3. Let's put 3 in for x and try that out. 3 cubed minus 2 lots of 3, that will give us the answer of 21. Now 21 is too high. Now in an exam you would then write that because 2 is too high, too low, and 3 is too high, then the answer lies between 2 and 3. But then the question goes on to say, well actually, can you work this out correct to one decimal place? So generally, it's good to try somewhere near the middle. Although my theory is that actually if that's 21 too high, that's much closer to 15 than 4 is. So you might try the middle, you might try slightly above. But let's stick to the conventional method of trying the middle. So that's 2.5 cubed minus 2 lots of 2.5. That actually gives us the answer of 10.625. 10.625, we're trying to get to 15. So that's too low. Let's try 2.6. 2.6 cubed minus 2 lots of 2.6. That gives us 12.376. That's too low. Let's try 2.7. 2.7 cubed minus 2 lots of 2.7 gives us 14.283. It's still low, but it's now getting very, very close. So we're starting our trial and improvement. We're improving that in terms of getting closer, and we're getting really close now. So let's have a look at 2.8. 2.8 cubed minus 2 lots of 2.8 will give us 16.352. And that is too high, but now we've got a value which is below 15 at 14.283 and a value which is above 15 at 16.352. Now the general method to work out which is closer is go right in the middle of the two. So we do 2.75 cubed minus 2 lots of 2.75, and that gives us the answer of 15.297. Now that is high, and because that is high, what that actually means is that 2.7 is the closest value. So it means that the value, if that's high, it falls between 2.7 and 2.75. Between 2.7, which was low, and 2.75. So if we're now looking for to one decimal place, our choices were either 2.7 or 2.8. But because it falls between 2.7 and 2.75, then our answer to this is it's closest to 2.7 to 1 decimal place. Now, that should enable you to go on to try exercise 6F on page 69, and then to actually, we've completed everything that was required for chapter 6. You should now be able to go on and do chapter 6 review on page 71. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good luck.